learn how I did this project, please visit my blog. The link can be found in the description box below. You can find the schematic and the code explanation for this project. Hello everyone, this is Rukshika Rajkumar from Arduino Projects by R, and today I am going to present you my analog and digital clock on TFT display using Arduino. For this project, you'll be needing an Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller development board, an Adafruit TFT display, a DS1307 RTC module, and some jumper wires. You'll be needing some tiny mill-to-mill jumper wires if you're using a solderless breadboard, but the solderless breadboard is totally optional over here, so you could use the male to female jumper wires. Now let me show you how this works. So now we've got two options: analog and digital. If you want to see the time in 24-hour digital format, you can tap on the digital option below, or if you want to see it in the standard watch format, you can choose the analog option. So now I'm going to try with the analog option. The time right now is 5 p.m. and as you can see, the minute hand is pointing right at 5 minutes, while the hour hand is pointing at 5. So now I'd like to compare my TFT clock with a standard watch over here. And as you can see, they are almost similar. Now let me go back to the home page to choose the other option. So here you can see the time, which is 5:07 p.m. and the date is 26th of May 2021, and it's Wednesday today. Stay tuned for more interesting projects and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video or tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and share.